If you've been frustrated by keyword stuff content that just doesn't rank anymore, you're not alone. The SEO landscape has shifted dramatically. Search engines aren't just matching words on a page. They're interpreting meaning, relationships, and context. They're rewarding content that connects topics together, the way a human subject matter expert would. But here's the catch. Most SEO tools are built for the keyword era. That's why campaigns plateau, rankings stall, and ROI flattens. You're spending hours, sometimes days, on manual linking and keyword research, and the payoff just isn't there. Let's break down the problem. A keyword is just a string of characters. Google's AI doesn't think in strings. It thinks in entities and relationships. When it sees apple, it knows if you mean the fruit, the company, or the record label, all based on context. Without that understanding, your content may be beautifully written, but it'll still be ignored. The old keyword first approach ignores the bigger picture, how each piece of content connects to the rest of your site and to the wider knowledge graph that Google is building about your niche. Semantic SEO is about optimizing for meaning, not just words. It's about structuring your site so that Google sees you as topical authority. That means covering the right topics, connecting them internally, and to signal to search engines that you understand the relationships between concepts in your industry. It's like building a spider web. Every strand, every page reinforces the others. Break one connection, the web weakens. Build the right connections, and the structure is stronger than the sum of all its parts. This is where InLinks changes the game. It's not just another SEO tool. It's a semantic SEO engine. Here's how it works. Topic mapping. InLinks automatically scans your site and identifies the topics your audience and Google care about most. No guesswork. Entity recognition. It recognizes the entities in your content and maps them to known concepts in the knowledge graph. Internal linking automation. Instead of manually creating links page by page, InLinks builds an internal linking structure that boosts topical authority instantly. Content optimization. It shows you exactly which entities to cover so your content fully answers search intent, increasing your chances of ranking. It's like having a senior SEO strategist and a dev team working side by side behind the scenes on every page, but it's all automated. Let's say you run a site about plant-based nutrition. You write a killer article on high-protein vegan breakfasts. With a keyword tool, you just make sure that you have the word in the title, sometimes in the body, in the meta tags. That's it. Done. But semantically, that's just the starting point. InLinks would map that article and relate it to topics like tofu scramble, chia seeds, and nutritional yeast. It would automatically link those to your other articles, building a web of context that tells Google, this site is an authority on plant-based nutrition. That's the difference. Stop fighting Google's AI with outdated keyword tactics, backlink strategies. Start speaking the same language, the language of topics and entities. InLinks automates it for you, so you can spend less time on the busy work and more time on generating content that converts. Try InLinks today and see how better topical authority instantly translates to better rankings.